Okay, back at the secret spot. There's the cave, Valley River Center. And then there's Valley River Inn and Delta Highway. Got a ton of bites here yesterday. So I'm gonna try again. Let's see if I can get something. It's the middle of the afternoon, not the most ideal time to be fishing. But I went by Cabela's and got some secret weapons that I'll try today. Let's first see if I get any bites just on the Panther Martin Silver. See how active those fish are. Like I said, I haven't caught anything. Caught a little itty bitty trout the other day, but I haven't actually caught any fish out of here in a while. But I think the weather's warming up. There's a lot more bugs. So the fish should be getting about the size now that they can attack things. So let's see if I can get any hits. Okay, nothing. Okay, so I'm gonna cheat today. I'm gonna put, I don't like using worms or eggs or anything I can swallow because I just hate getting the hook out. So I'm gonna try my spinner bait with some Pure Cure Super Gel. See if I can't get a hit. They say all you gotta do is dab a little on here. So let's see if this works. I say you gotta smear it on there a little bit, but I'm hoping that it'll just work like that. That was a perfect cast right where they're at. Okay, I'm curious to see if it actually stays on. Yeah, it's still on there. It's like a goo. I bet probably about 3 to 5 casts and then it'll be off. Maybe to wake some of those trout up. I don't know, maybe they... Oh, I just saw a big one jump right there. So they are still here. It's a matter of finding out what they want. They're a little further down than they were yesterday. Let's see. Yeah, it's still on there. Okay, got one. Got it using a little power bait. Gummy fish. I think I still got him on there. No, got off. Nope, he's still on there. He's still on there. Nice, nice little fish right there. Yeah, look at that. I've never seen one like this before. I'm not sure what kind of fish that is. I've never seen a fish like this. It's oh, hold on, buddy. He is strong. Wow. Yeah, so you can see what I'm using right here. It's a power bait, and I just let it drift down, and I got a bobber right here, a weighted bobber. I got about 3 feet on that line, almost 2.5. I just let it drift down, run along that tree line, and I've seen big trout way out there in the middle jumping. So I'm telling you, right now is the time to come down. Like I said, I'm not sure what kind of fish that was. Never caught one like that before. It's not a rainbow. But let's see if I can get another one. Well, been out here for about a couple hours. Only got one fish. I've tried a bunch of stuff, but I went back to the power bait little minnow thing, and haven't even gotten any bites, but they're jumping all through here. I'll just have to experiment a little bit more and maybe see what another week or two if things change. But until next time, I guess I'll catch you later. Hope you're enjoying your summer.